You just started.
Go, you need to start it.
Go to the floor.
What are we gonna do?
Fluff. Mimi.
How do I do it, Ove?
I don't know. Welcome to my channel.
Así con esa
I
negrita.
really don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oi! Hi guys. You're good at it. You need to do it. Hi guys, so welcome to our channel. Today we have our nephews with us and we're gonna be unboxing our new commercial, our commercial stand mixer, which is this one. And we bought it from webstaurantstore.com. Where's the scissors?
I'm
Where's the
done
knife?
here.
Open ahorita. So shiny. Bella licked you in the face?
See my eyes and my nails.
Okay guys, so this is another day. We finished organizing the room. Basically everything I had, like everything that I used to like store things or do stuff in, the only thing I bought was our mixer. That's like the only new purchase that I've done, but everything else I've already had. So you do not need to go out and buy things, but I just happen to have everything. I'm a container freak. Like I'm obsessed with containers, so I have every type of container. So I was able to reuse the ones that I had. But let me show you guys around. So this is the door. This is the door to the slime room. If you guys do hear dogs, just keep in mind they're my dogs and they're probably playing around. Okay, so here's the mixer. I do want to get like a little like what is it called, like a logo, like a banner. It's called a banner. Sorry, I don't know what it's called. A banner, so we could put our logo up there, because I do want to start doing like restocks with us, like restock all the shop with us and stuff like that. We have all the bins, cleaning supplies, our stool. And then here, this one's just basically like holding the glue so I don't waste glue. And then this is just like lotion for when my hands get too dry. I have other like slime supplies for when I want to do things. This is our glue. I am running low on stuff, but I'm about to restock all the glues just because I'm about to make a huge, we're gonna release our online shop with a bunch of new stuff. So stay tuned for that, guys. But always follow us on Instagram at Toy Rush Store or at Toy Rush Bella Slimes. That's where we have mainly like all of our stuff. So I have like foam. Okay, so I wanted to label everything, but I don't know if this way is gonna work. So I wanted to do it without labels, and then if it ends up working, I'll fix it. Back there, as you guys can see, I have like backstock in glitters that I already have out there, but some that are extra. The jelly cubes, to make jelly cubes. These are just like cool little heart peanuts. My husband bought these at the Deso store. It's like wooden clay. It has wooden stuff in it. It's really cool, I guess. And then peanuts. And in the back, I have pom-poms and more charms. In the back, fishbowl beads. And then here is to make snow fizz. And we have marshmallow beads. And then here are all our more charms. And these are like the little kits that I made because I had ordered like little sprinkles and stuff. And it was kind of hard to like figure out how to put them. So I got one of these like toolbox, like to put screws and stuff at Harbor Freight. So that's the first slime that we made on the mixer. And then I have like some activator bottles, wooden little spatulas. I'm gonna test this one on Instagram story. So I clipped it out. And then I have some displays I need to work on for signs for the stores. My little bowl for instant snow, and then instant snow. And then down here I have more slime supplies, microfoam beads, little containers, and heart containers. because Valentine's is around the corner. I do want to make some pretty cool like a pack that you guys can give to your friends at school, or even your best friends, just a couple of them. So I'm gonna be doing a bunch of cool stuff with those this coming few weeks. That's our little trash can for this area. So this is just, I haven't put anything in these little drawers, but I kind of have this in here, markers, scissors. This is the fields for the containers. Oh, and then these ones, if you guys do need stickers, there's a shop called Pom Pom Shop. And then we get these from Sticker Giant just because we get so many. I feel like it might be cheaper. I haven't actually checked, but I would just think it would be cheaper because they're a slime. They're like, it prints it on its own with a machine. Our Bella Slimes stickers. And this will be a station for packing. Anything that has to do with packing will be done here. And then I got these little things. So when I print out the stickers for the names of the slime, I just put them in here, and I'm not like shuffling through papers like on the desk. It's just right here, so I'll organize it. Then right here, this is how we are about to move. I didn't want to throw this box away because I can put the mixer back in there when we leave, so it's a little bit more secure. This is all the filming gear that we have. Again, I already bought this before, like I had it. My husband is like a photo geek. Like he loves anything like video, like DJI, like drones. That's his thing. So he already had it. And then this is like our little window. I did put a white like see-through curtain just so it could have a better video quality. But look how orange it looks. I know, guys. It's really early. It's actually Sunday morning, and we go to church I need to be at church at 9 today, so I wanted to film it before. And this is gonna be our like to film videos, or it's gonna be like, will be the spot where I'll do like these videos like this if I'm reviewing stuff. Okie dokie. And then over here, guys, we have all our Daiso clay, and we have some sponges that we got from the Daiso store. If you guys haven't been to it, I say it wrong. It's Daiso. I think you say Daiso, but y'all know what I mean. But we got a bunch of cool stuff that I want to try. And then this is just going to be like our packing station. I am missing a printer here, but it's at the shop right now, so I need to bring it this way. I'm just bringing everything as I can, so that's why it's there. And down there it's like shipping supplies. If it's like envelopes, stuffing, tissue paper, whatever, I have it down there. But it's really cool, all the things that I have. All these like little stickers, these balloons, I had them, and I figured you never know, I could use it for some type of way. But yeah, guys, so this is like all the stuff that we have. We regularly have more Daiso, but we're running low on it.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. That was our room tour of the area where we're gonna be making slime videos, where we make our slime. Thank you for checking it out. Please subscribe to our channel. It would really help us out a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. That would really help us out. And if you like the content that we're creating, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell button. Again, if you comment, if you like our video, we are giving a shout out on here, so please make sure you go on there and give us a like and comment. So thank you for watching this video, and hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Here's some more videos for you guys that you guys can check out about us. Check out how we open our location in Arizona Mills. And remember, there's always some amazing cool videos coming out soon. Thank you.